My name is Sebastian Constantine. I'm the founder of Concept. Concept was established back in 2000. Concept is a relocation firm. We help companies with their employees to get the perfect job that fits, that's tailored for you only. We help them to get the right job worldwide, and we have positive clients all over the world, in Denmark and the rest of European and other countries too.
Hi, I'm Alexander. For 5 years ago, I was a trainee in Denmark. I come from Italia myself, and it was very hard for me to fit into the culture and find out how the Danish traditions was. But then I found the Concept, which helped me a lot with finding out how the cultures worked and teach me a lot of this. And they also helped me say goodbye to my family, which I think was very hard to say, because I remember how hard I missed them. Sometimes I cried, but then I remembered what Concept had told me, and it all went good again.
Here at Concept we also have visions. Our mission is to be the leading company for relocation, for our customers to choose us again and again. Our vision is to be the most trustable relocation firm, also for all our customers to choose us, so it's pretty much the same. Also, our mission is to locate us also in New York, as we have a press release coming, so read about it on our webpage.
One more time, I wanna say